Make a great choice today with 2011 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, front and rear power outlets, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, power windows, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one cargo area light, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.